want a picture with Spiderman? Here comes the Spiderman. Give Spiderman a big round of applause, please. Alright, anybody want a picture with Spiderman? Alright, so, $5,000 picture. That's your number. So you can see Spiderman off screen. Alright, do yourself, Spiderman. High five every time. Okay? Alright, here's what we're going to do now.
Let me just tell you what happened after that, because my camera died. So I went to step off the stage, as you saw in the video, and when I went, they attacked like 100 kids at once. So I had to go back on the stage and sit there for like 10 minutes, and eventually I got off, and by the time I stepped down there, then I was attacked by like 300 kids. I couldn't even move a muscle, and then everybody started turning over on me like a domino effect. It's just crazy, insane. I couldn't move. I felt claustrophobic. I couldn't fight them because they're kids, but I can't move. That was like a nightmare, but it was fun at the same time. Yeah.